Picking the wrong oscillating tool blades can slow your whole project down, and nobody wants that. Today, we're breaking down the 10 best oscillating tool blades you can get right now. Covering everything from blade count and material quality to compatibility and value for money. If you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned pro, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which set is right for you. Number 1. Beyonce Oscillating Tool Blades. The Beyonce Oscillating Tool Blades kick off our list as a hard-to-beat value pack. You're getting 50 pieces in a single set, made from a high-carbon steel and bimetal mix, so you've got the right blade for nearly any job. The universal quick-release fit means it'll snap onto most major oscillating tool brands without any hassle. What really makes this set shine is the variety. Multiple blade shapes, mixed tooth styles, and helpful depth markings for more precise cuts. It handles wood, drywall, plastic, and soft metals with ease. If you want one pack that does it all without breaking the bank, this is a great starting point. Next up, the AMZWEI Oscillating Tool Blades bring a similar 50-piece bundle with a strong focus on versatility and affordability. Built from high-carbon steel and bimetal, these blades are designed to tackle wood, plastic, drywall, and soft metal on any given workday. The universal interface fits most popular brands, so you won't need adapters. One standout detail here is the aggressive cutting teeth. They chew through material faster than softer-edged blades and hold up well over repeated use. Add in the precision depth markings, and you've got a set that performs well above its price tag. A solid, budget-friendly multi-purpose kit worth considering. Coming in at number 3, the Beyonce 40 Pieces Oscillating Saw Blades offer a slightly smaller but equally capable bundle. With 40 pieces of high-carbon steel and bimetal blades, this set covers wood cutting, PVC, drywall, and soft metals without missing a beat. The fast cutting design means you spend less time on each pass. The combination blade pack gives you a good spread of profiles, and the built-in measurement guides are a handy bonus for accurate work. It's one of the most popular value choices on Amazon for good reason. Buyers keep coming back to it. If you want a proven, crowd-pleasing kit at a fair price, this one delivers. At number 4, the AMZBSAW Oscillating Tool Blades bring a 50-piece assortment built for renovation work. High-carbon steel and bimetal construction keeps the blades tough across different materials, and the universal fit design makes swapping them in a breeze. Wood, plastic, drywall, and light metal are all fair game here. The real advantage is the assorted blade geometries. You get a wide range of tooth patterns and shapes that handle different cutting scenarios without needing a separate specialty set. Quick change compatibility adds even more convenience on the job site. A strong renovation blade bundle that earns its spot on this list. Halfway through our list, the Peckham Oscillating Tool Blades come in as a well-rounded DIY remodeling option. This 50-piece kit uses both high-carbon steel and alloy steel blades, giving you a slightly broader material range than a standard carbon-only set. It covers wood, drywall, plastic, and even flooring applications. The mixed accessory pack is nicely balanced, and precision measurement markings help you stay accurate on detailed cuts. If you're tackling a home renovation or remodeling project, this kit has pretty much everything you'd need in a single box. A reliable DIY toolkit option that keeps things simple. Number 6. Kanu Oscillating Tool Blades. Now here's where things get impressive. The Kanu Oscillating Tool Blades pack a massive 95 pieces into a single kit. This isn't just blades, either. You're getting sanding pads, scraper tools, and a full assortment of mixed steel cutting accessories. It handles cutting, scraping, and sanding all from one box. The universal fit means all those pieces are ready to go on your existing tool. No special adapter needed. For anyone who wants a complete, all-in-one oscillating tool solution, this is absolutely the kit to beat. It's the biggest bundle on our list, and it genuinely earns that title. Number 7 brings the Trived Pro Oscillating Tool Blades, a 50-piece set aimed at users who care about clean, precise cuts. Made from high-carbon steel and bi-metal, these blades feature durable teeth and a precision cut design that performs well on wood, plastic, drywall, and soft metal. The depth markers add a professional-grade touch. This set leans toward the pro end of the spectrum, offering better consistency and control across different materials than many budget alternatives. It's the kind of blade pack that a serious DIYer or part-time contractor would actually reach for. A pro-style cutting set that doesn't cut corners, pun intended. Coming in at 8, the IFAcut Oscillating Tool Blades are built with speed in mind. This 50-piece high-carbon steel and bi-metal set features fast-cut tooth patterns that rip through multi-material applications faster than standard blades. Universal multi-tool interface compatibility means easy installation every time. The assorted blade types give you coverage across different cutting jobs, and the fast-cut geometry really does make a noticeable difference in efficiency. For budget-conscious users who still want performance, this is a smart choice, a speed-focused budget option that punches above its weight. At number 9, we take a sharp turn toward premium territory with the Ezark Oscillating Tool Blades. Unlike every other set on this list, this is a 3-piece kit, but don't let the small count fool you. These are titanium-coated carbide blades built for the toughest jobs: hardened metal, screws, nails, and wood with embedded fasteners. The extreme wear resistance of carbide means these blades last dramatically longer than standard carbon steel alternatives in heavy-duty situations. If you're cutting through tough materials that would destroy a budget blade in minutes, this is your go-to pick. The best premium, heavy-duty blade on our entire list. Closing out our list, the Keelan Oscillating Tool Blades bring a clean, no-nonsense 50-piece bundle for everyday use. High-carbon steel and bi-metal construction covers the basics: wood, plastic, drywall, and light metal, with a universal fit that works across most oscillating tools. Assorted cutting profiles and depth markings round out the package. It's not flashy, but it's exactly what a general-purpose blade set should be: dependable, affordable, and ready for the job. If you want a low-risk, high-value kit to keep in your workshop as a go-to supply, the Keelan set fits that role perfectly. A great affordable general-use blade pack to finish strong. So there you have it, the 10 best oscillating tool blades for 2026. If you want the best all-around value, grab the Beyonce 50-piece set. For heavy-duty cutting, the Ezark carbide blades are unbeatable. Check the links in the description to grab whichever one fits your needs. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. Now tell me, which blade set caught your eye? Drop a comment below, I read every single one. See you in the next one.